Okay, so like, good day. I'm Jason Tron from Repeato Trains Inc. And this is my buddy Josh from Repeato Trains Inc. Supposed to say, how's it going, eh?
How's it going, eh?
How's it going, eh?
Hoser.
So we're here underneath a Via Rail Canada HEP 2 coach.
Right.
We got a
Jason,
PPE.
stand up. You can't see it. You're out in the light.
But hang on. Okay, hang on. Is this okay?
No.
Oh, okay, hang on.
So while he's getting medical attention, we're going to show you a HEP 2 underbody because we're going to put these on our HO scale Via Rail Canada HEP 2 coaches.
Beauty.
You okay down there, chump?
I'm fine.
All right, so I'm here with Brian Krause from Via Rail,
How's it going, eh?
and he's going to show us some things under the HEP 2 cars. So, Brian, what's this?
This is the retention tank, otherwise where the poop comes from. This is your quick service system for the brakes, and behind you there is the anti-skid release mechanism. This is your air conditioning system for the car. These are main reservoirs for the brake system. This is your water filling valve. These are your battery boxes.
So they hold batteries.
Yes. That's a wheel. This is your water raising system along with the water filling valve that we saw on the other side.
That's the water raising reservoir. Oh.
What's this?
Nothing.
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 Was something, but now there's nothing.
That's right.
So what's with this? Airflow?
Yeah, that's your poop pipe.
Oh.
Oh, dude. Oh, well, thank you very much, Brian, for all your help. And that was, especially all that poop stuff is really enlightening. Thank you very much.
It was really good.
Okay, good. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks for letting us play with your car. We better go, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just out here, right? It's just
Yeah,
out
that's
here.
right.
Medic.
Dear losers, once again you are ignoring us N-scalers. Even though N-scale represents only 1/5 of the market, N-scale models are actually 16.2% the volume of HO scale models. So if they were scaled up, pound for pound, they would actually outshell HO scale by 25%. But I wouldn't expect you stupid heads to understand this. So going forward, I will be sending my angry letters to other companies because you smell, I hate you, and your videos aren't funny. Sincerely, all of us.
Actually, we are bringing them out in N-scale, Hosehead. Just not for you.
And then behind me here is your 26C brake system. So you have your service portion, the block, your emergency portion, which is a number 8 vent valve, and then you have your J valve.
Oh, dude, now you're just showing off.